friends, myself Janendan Mato, and you are watching my YouTube channel Science and Maths Classes by Jay Sir. Okay, if you didn't subscribe my channel till now, then at first you subscribe my channel and enjoy with me and study physics with me. And today we will discuss about competitive questions that is related to physics. Okay, and the candidates, those who are preparing for competitive examinations, can join my YouTube channel Science and Maths Classes by Jay Sir and enjoy with me. Okay, and gain knowledge. And today we will discuss questions which are asked in many examinations, that is CDS, IS examinations, RRB NTPC examinations, okay, UPSC, BPSC, etc. Okay, then the questions which are asked in these examinations are as and the first question is the SI unit of entropy is joule per second, joule per Kelvin, joule per Kelvin and joule second, and the right option is B joule per Kelvin. ओके, यहाँ जो है कि ये कन्वेंशनली ये रॉन्ग है ना, ये जूल पर सेकंड तो होगा नहीं, ये जूल सेकंड भी नहीं होगा, तब ये क्या होगा, जूल पर केल्विन. उसके बाद है सेकंड क्वेश्चन, द यूनिट ऑफ वर्क इज जूल, न्यूटन, वाट, डाइन, एंड राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, दैट इज जूल. एंड नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज पार्सेक इज द यूनिट ऑफ डिस्टेंस, मैग्नेटिक फोर्स, shining of light, time, and parsec, that is parallactic second, which is the unit of distance. Therefore option A is correct. And next question is light year is the unit of distance, time, intensity of light, mass, and right option is A, that is distance. And next question number 5 is which of the following is not the unit of time? And here leap year is the unit of time, lunar month is the unit of time, and here light year is the distance traveled by light in a year. Therefore light year is not a unit of time. Therefore option C is correct. Okay, and next question number 6. Question number 6, which of the following is not matched? Which of the following is not matched? Option A decibel, unit of sound, B horsepower, unit of power, option C nautical mile, unit of distance, and D Celsius, unit of heat. Because all these three options are matched, therefore option D is not matched, because Celsius is the unit of temperature, but here it is matched with unit of heat. Therefore option D is correct option. Okay, D is the correct option, that is Celsius is not matched with unit of heat. And the next question, the unit of magnetic flux is Weber, वेबर मीटर, वेबर पर मीटर, वेबर पर एम्पियर, वेबर सेकेंड, and the right option is Weber. Okay, Weber. And the next question, 8th number, the SI unit of Young's modulus of elasticity is Newton per meter square. Newton per meter square, that is option number C. And the next question, question number 9, which of the following is a vector quantity? Energy, momentum, moment of inertia, all of these. And here option number B is correct. Momentum is a vector quantity. And you also know that those quantities which have both magnitude and directions are vector quantities. Therefore here energy is a scalar quantity, moment of inertia is a scalar quantity, but here momentum is a vector quantity. Okay, option B is correct. An artificial satellite orbiting around the earth does not fall down. This is so because the attraction of the earth. An artificial satellite orbiting around the earth does not fall down. This is so because the attraction of the earth. Option number A, does not exist at such distance, is neutralized by the attraction of the moon, provides the necessary speed for its steady, provides the necessary acceleration for its motion. Therefore option D is correct, provides the necessary acceleration for its motion. Okay, क्या बोला जा रहा है कि एक आर्टिफिशियल मानव निर्मित उपग्रह है और बाइटिंग अराउंड द अर्थ डज नॉट फॉल डाउन, वो कभी गिरता नहीं है. दिस इज बिकॉज द अट्रैक्शन ऑफ द अर्थ. ये क्या है कि पृथ्वी के आकर्षण के कारण. तो इसमें है ये कंडीशन, 4 कंडीशन, उसमें से ये ऑप्शन नंबर डी सही है, प्रोवाइड्स द नेसेसरी एक्सेलरेशन फॉर इट्स मोशन. एंड क्वेश्चन 11th number is the electric current density is a vector quantity, a scalar quantity, both, none. And the electric current density is a vector quantity. Okay, scalar not, it is a vector quantity. And next, the question number 12, the surface of a lake is frozen. The surface of a lake is frozen in severe winter, but the water at its bottom is still liquid. What is the reason? Ice is a bad conductor of a heat. B, since the surface of the lake is at the same temperature as the air, no heat is lost. And option C, the density of water is maximum at 4 degrees Celsius. D, none of the statements A, B and C given above are correct. Here option C is correct. The density of water is maximum at 4 degrees Celsius. Okay. Next question. Lumen is the unit of luminous intensity, luminous flux, both, none. Option number B is right, luminous flux. Okay, luminous flux. Candela is the unit of candela, luminous flux, luminous effect, luminous pressure, luminous intensity. And candela is the unit of luminous intensity, jyoti tivrata. And next, question number 15, which one of the following pair does not have the same dimension? Which one of the following pair does not have the same dimension? Option number A, force and pressure, work and energy. C, impulse and momentum. D, pressure and stress. क्या बोला जा रहा है? सेम डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूला किसका? विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग पेयर डज नॉट हैव द सेम डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूला. तो फोर्स एंड प्रेशर दोनों अलग अलग हो गया. जैसे वर्क एंड एनर्जी दोनों का सेम होता है. इम्पल्स एंड मोमेंटम, प्रेशर एंड स्ट्रेस, ये सारे तीनों का, ये बी सी डी, ये तीनों ऑप्शन में डायमेंशन सेम होता है, बट ये फोर्स का ml T⁻⁻² एंड प्रेशर फोर्स अपन एरिया, देयरफॉर ऑप्शन ए इज डिसमैच्ड। ठीक है, देयरफॉर ऑप्शन ए इज राइट। द फिजिकल क्वांटिटी ऑब्टेन्ड बाय द डिवीजन ऑफ ए linear momentum of a body to its velocity is first velocity, acceleration, mass, force, and you know that momentum is equal to mv, and mv is divided by v, that is v cancel out and remained m, therefore mass is the correct option, therefore option C is correct. And here next question number 17, the body is exactly free falling motion have, the bodies executing free falling motion have equal momentum, equal velocity, equal acceleration, equal force. okay, क्या होगा आंसर? इक्वल एक्सेलरेशन। द इंक्रीजिंग अमाउंट ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इन द एयर इज स्लोली राइजिंग द टेम्परेचर ऑफ द एटमोसफेयर because it absorbs. The increasing amount of carbon dioxide in the air is slowly raising the temperature of the atmosphere because it absorbs the water vapor or the air and retains its heat. The ultraviolet part of the solar radiation, all the solar radiation, the infrared part of the solar radiation, and your right answer is the infrared part of the solar radiation. okay, and the next question number 19 is rocket operates works on the principle of energy conservation, Bernoulli's theorem, Avogadro's concept, momentum conservation, and rocket operates works on the momentum conservation. That is option number D. The blackboard seems black because it reflects every color, does not reflect any color, absorbs black color, reflects black color, and option number B is right, that is does not reflect any color, therefore a blackboard seems black. okay, and the next question number 21, a cricket player catches a fast coming ball by pulling his hands back because, एक क्रिकेट का खिलाड़ी है जो बॉल को कैच करने के समय अपनी ओर खींचता है बॉल को, वो क्यों? द बॉल कैन कम टू ए पोजिशन ऑफ रेस्ट, द बॉल कैन बी एक्सेलरेटेड, द बॉल कैन एक्सर्ट ए लार्ज फोर्स, द बॉल कैन एक्सर्ट ए लेसर फोर्स, द ऑप्शन इज सी, द बॉल कैन एक्सर्ट ए लार्जर फोर्स, दैट इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज करेक्ट. एंड द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन number 22, force is the product of force, that is mass into acceleration, mass and velocity, mass and acceleration, weight and velocity, weight and acceleration, therefore option B is correct, that is F is equal to ma. okay, F is equal to ma, that is force is equal to mass into acceleration. And the question number 23, the weight of a human body is same at the every places on the earth's surface, maximum at the poles, maximum at the equator, more on the mountain than the plains, and the right option is the weight of a human body is maximum at the poles. कोई भी जो मानव शरीर का जो भार होगा वो ध्रुव पे पृथ्वी के ध्रुव पे सबसे ज़्यादा होगा, मैक्सिमम एट द पोल्स. इफ द वेट ऑफ ए मैन इज 600 न्यूटन ऑन द अर्थ, देन हिज वेट ऑन द मून विल बी, एंड यू नो दैट द वेट ऑफ ए मैन इन मून is 1/6 of the earth, therefore 1/6 of the earth therefore it becomes 600 Newton by 6, that is 100 Newton. Therefore option D is correct. Okay, option D is correct. And the next question, 25 number, if the weight of an object on the earth's surface is 29.4 Newton, then the mass of the object would be how much? 3 kg. Okay, how much? 3 kg. And you also know that weight is equal to mg. Therefore if weight of an object on the earth surface is 20, then the mass of the object, then ये कितना हो जाएगा? 29.4 इज इक्वल टू मास, और इधर से हो गया 9, ये 10, तब ये मास इज इक्वल टू हो जाएगा 29.4, दैट एवरेज आउट टू 3. देयरफॉर ऑप्शन बी इज राइट. ओके, and next question, number 26, a man astronaut can apply a more longer jump on the moon's surface than the earth's surface because a man astronaut can apply a more longer jump on the moon's surface than the earth's surface because कि एक जो एस्ट्रोनॉट है, एक आदमी चंद्रमा के सतह पर पृथ्वी की सतह से ज़्यादा जंप करता है. वो क्यों? ही इज़ weightless on the moon. There exists no atmosphere on the moon. The gravitational pull on the moon is lesser than that of the earth's surface. क्योंकि वहाँ पे गुरुत्वाकर्षण का जो खिंचाव होता है वो कम होता है, इसलिए चंद्रमा की सतह पर आदमी ज़्यादा उछलता है. ठीक है, द ग्रेविटेशनल पुल ऑन द मून इज लेसर देन दैट ऑफ द अर्थ's surface. Therefore option number C is correct. Option number C is correct. And the next question, the weight of an object of mass 1 kg can be expressed as how much? 9.8 Newton. The weight of an object of mass 1 kg can be expressed as 9.8 Newton. The product of the moment, next question 28, the product of the moment of inertia and the angular acceleration is, the product of the moment of inertia and the angular acceleration is force, torque, work, angular momentum, and correct option is torque, that is moment of inertia and angular acceleration. Next question, 29th number, a body is charged negatively, it implies that a body is charged negatively, it implies that it has lost some of its protons, it has acquired some electrons from outside, it has lost some of its electrons, none of the above. क्या होता है? कोई भी वस्तु ऋणावेशित हो जाती है, इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि ये अपने आप में इलेक्ट्रॉन को एक्वायर कर लेता है, इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन करता है आउटसाइड से. देयरफॉर इट हैज़ एक्वायर्ड सम इलेक्ट्रॉन्स फ्रॉम आउटसाइड. देयरफॉर ऑप्शन बी इज राइट. ओके, ऑप्शन बी इज राइट, इट हैज़ एक्वायर्ड सम इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. एंड नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 30 number, a piece of ice is floating on the surface of the water kept in a beaker, and when this piece melts then the level of water in the beaker. क्या होता है कि a piece of a ice is floating on the surface of the water kept in a beaker, and when this piece melts then the level of the water in the beaker. क्या होगा? जब कोई भी बीकर में एक बर्फ़ का टुकड़ा है, वो तैर रहा होता है, लेकिन जब वो पिघल जाता है तब वो क्या होगा? वाटर का जो लेवल होगा वो क्या होगा? विल इंक्रीज, विल डिक्रीज, विल बी द सेम, विल फर्स्टली इंक्रीज देन इट वुड बी डिक्रीज, नो. ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज करेक्ट, विल बी द सेम. ये वाटर का जो लेवल होगा वो सेम होगा, इस कंडीशन में वाटर का लेवल सेम होगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 31 number, due to contraction of eyeball alongside eye, A long-sighted eye can see only due to contraction of eyeball. A long-sighted eye can see only further objects which is corrected by using convex lens, further objects which is corrected by using convex lens, nearer objects which is corrected by using concave lens, nearer objects which is corrected by using concave lens, and the right option is option number C, that is nearer objects which is corrected by using concave lens. Okay. And next question, why do you feel cool under a tree but not so under a tin shed on a sunny days? क्या होता है कि आप वृक्ष के नीचे under the tree, why do you feel cool under a tree but not so under a tin shed on a tin shed? The greeniness of the tree gives the cool feeling. Photosynthesis absorbs heat. The leaves convert water vapors into water, which is a heat absorbing process. The leaves give out water which vaporizes, absorbing some heat as latent heat. The leaves give out water, okay, which vaporizes, absorbing some heat, vaporizes, absorbing some heat as a latent heat. ये फोटोसिंथेसिस एब्जॉर्ब्स हीट, ये तो बी सही है, बट ऑप्शन नंबर डी भी लगता है, ऑप्शन नंबर बी ही सही होना चाहिए, ठीक है। उसके बाद नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाई एन आयरन नेल फ्लोट्स ऑन मरकरी बट सिंक्स इन वाटर? व्हाई एन आयरन नेल फ्लोट्स ऑन मरकरी बट सिंक्स इन वाटर? लेस केमिकल एफिनिटी ऑफ आयरन देन मरकरी विथ वाटर. बी, the weight of iron nail is more than water but less than mercury. The density of iron is more than water but less than mercury. Density of iron is more than water but less than mercury. Therefore, an iron ball floats on mercury but sinks in water. Okay. And next question, 34th number, water has its maximum density at 4 degrees Celsius. Okay, water has its maximum density at 4 degrees Celsius. Which one among the following would expand the most on being heated? Which one among the following would expand the most on being heated? That is water. If two pieces of ice are mutually pressed to each other, then these pieces stick because at higher pressure the melting point of ice decreases. At higher pressure the melting point of ice increases. At the higher pressure the melting point of ice firstly decreases and then increases. Okay, there exists no relation between the pressure and melting point of the ice, and the correct option is option number C. At higher pressure the melting point of ice firstly decreases. At a higher pressure the melting point of ice firstly decreases and then increases. In the next question, at the higher altitudes water boils at the temperature lower than 100 degrees Celsius because due to a lesser atmospheric pressure boiling point of water lowers. The gravitational pull is lesser here. The winds on the mountains are stormy. None of these, and the option is A. Correct option is A. Due to lesser atmospheric pressure boiling point of water lowers. Due to lesser atmospheric pressure boiling point of water lowers. Okay. And next question, 38th number, the inside pressure of a soap bubble is more than the atmospheric pressure, less than the atmospheric pressure, equal to the atmospheric pressure, half of the atmospheric pressure, and the inside pressure of a soap bubble is more than the atmospheric pressure. Option number A. The sudden downfall of reading of a barometer indicates that the weather will be stable and calm, will be rainy, will be stormy, will be cyclonic, cyclonic. And option number C is correct, will be stormy. The sudden downfall of the reading of barometer indicates that the weather will be stormy, आंधी तूफान वाला. In which of the following kinetic energy does not exist, that is fired bullet, फ्लोइंग वाटर, इम्पार्टेड हैमर. दैट इज़ क्या होगा इसमें? तो फाइड बुलेट में तो काइनेटिक एनर्जी आ जाता है, इम्पार्टेड हैमर में भी आ जाता है, फ्लोइंग वाटर में भी आ जाता है, बट ये स्ट्रेस्ड वो इसमें क्या होता है? पोटेंशियल एनर्जी होता है. इसलिए ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज करेक्ट, स्ट्रेस्ड वो. एंड नेक्स्ट, इफ ए मूविंग बॉडी डबल्स इट्स वेलोसिटी देन द काइनेटिक एनर्जी ऑफ द If a moving body doubles its velocity, then the kinetic energy of the body will be. If a moving body doubles its velocity, then the kinetic energy of a body will be 4 times. Okay, how much times? 4 times. ठीक है. जब कोई गतिमान वस्तु का वेग दुगुना कर दिया जाता है तो उसका काइनेटिक एनर्जी 4 गुना हो जाता है. ओके. If a moving body doubles its velocity, then the kinetic energy of the body will be 4 times. And next question number 42. The cyclist leans or bends himself around a turning because speed of a man and cycle should be the same, otherwise the cycle will skid. He bends to locate the center of gravity inside the base, which prevents him from falling down. He bends to exert pressure on the cycle's wheels to move on the curved track path. He bends to cross the curved speedily, and here option number B is correct. He bends to locate the center of gravity inside the base, which prevents him from falling down. Okay. And next question number 43. Which of the following force is exerted by a cream separator machine of the milk? Which of the following force is exerted by a cream separator machine of the milk? And your option is centrifugal force, centripetal force, non-central force, and external force. And the correct option is option number A, centrifugal force. And the next question number 44. When a stone piece is brought from the moon's surface, brought from the moon's surface to the earth, then its mass will change, its weight will change, but its mass would remain constant. The weight and mass both will change, neither mass nor weight will change. जब कोई भी पत्थर के टुकड़े को लाया जाता है चंद्रमा से पृथ्वी पर, तब then its weight will change but not its mass. Its weight will change but its mass would remain constant. उस वस्तु का भार चेंज हो जाता है बट द्रव्यमान वही रहता है. ठीक है. And next question number 45. The person sitting in a lift or elevator will experience more. The person sitting in a lift or elevator will experience more when the lift is accelerated downwards, when the lift is accelerated upwards, when it is coming downwards with equal velocity, when it is going upwards with equal velocity. And right option is option number B. The person sitting in a lift or elevator will experience more when the lift is accelerated upwards. When जब लिफ्ट ऊपर की ओर जाता है तब वो ज़्यादा अनुभव करता है. ठीक है। एंड नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 46, द apparent weight of a person sitting in a lift is, the apparent weight of a person sitting in a lift is less than its real weight when the lift moves upwards with an acceleration, downwards with an acceleration, upwards with equal velocities, and downwards with equal velocity. And right option is downwards with an acceleration. जब लिफ्ट में हम नीचे की ओर आ रहे होते हैं तो ये क्या होता है, ग्रेविटी के कारण ये कम इसका वेट जो होता है, द अपरेंट वेट ऑफ ए पर्सन सिटिंग इन ए लिफ्ट इज लेस, क्या होता है, वो लेस होता है, कम होता है। एंड नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 47, द टाइम पीरियड ऑफ ए पेंडुलम वॉच, द टाइम पीरियड ऑफ ए पेंडुलम वॉच depends on the mass, the time period of a pendulum watch depends on the mass, depends on the length, depends on the time, depends on the temperature, and the right answer is depends on the length. कोई भी पेंडुलम का जो टाइम पीरियड निर्भर करता है वो उसके लेंथ पे डिपेंड करता है, दैट इज डिपेंड्स ऑन द लेंथ। ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज करेक्ट। द पेंडुलम watches become slowed down in summer because, जो पेंडुलम घड़ी होते हैं वो गर्मी के दिनों में धीरे हो जाते हैं। द पेंडुलम वॉचेस बिकम स्लो डाउन इन समर बिकॉज ऑफ लॉन्गर समर डे, द weight of the pendulum is increased in the summer, pendulum becomes elongated and correspondingly time is elongated at per unit oscillation of appearance of oscillations in the coils, and right option is C, pendulum becomes elongated, मतलब ये बढ़ जाता है एंड कॉरस्पॉन्डिंगली टाइम इज इलोंगेटेड एट पर यूनिट ऑसिलेशन, और पर यूनिट ऑसिलेशंस टाइम भी बढ़ जाता है, टाइम इज इलोंगेटेड एट पर यूनिट ऑसिलेशंस, एंड ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज करेक्ट। ओके, ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज करेक्ट। एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 49, if the length of a simple pendulum is increased by 4%, then its time period will be if the length of a simple pendulum is increased by 4%, then its time period will be increased by 3%, increased by 2%, increased by 4%, none of these, and option B is correct, increased by 2%. And next, the ratio of the transverse deformation and the longitudinal deformation is called Poisson ratio. Bulk modulus of elasticity, rigidity modulus of elasticity, Young's modulus of elasticity, okay, and the ratio of transverse deformation and longitudinal deformation is called Poisson ratio. Okay, Poisson ratio। तो आज के लिए इतना ही रखते हैं, 50 क्वेश्चंस हो गए आज, और नेक्स्ट वीडियोज़ में और क्वेश्चंस आते रहेंगे। फिजिक्स में कम से कम 280 के आसपास क्वेश्चन करेंगे। ओके, एंड ऑल दिस क्वेश्चंस आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। ओके, और जितने भी एग्ज़ाम या इंटरव्यू या कोई भी कॉम्पिटिशन्स में जो क्वेश्चन आते हैं, इन्हीं क्वेश्चन के इर्द गिर्द सारे क्वेश्चन आएंगे। ठीक है, इन्हीं प्रश्नों के और इन्हीं प्रश्नों से रिलेटेड या इन्हीं प्रश्नों के इर्द गिर्द सारे क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं, सारे एग्ज़ाम्स में, सारे इंटरव्यू में। ओके, thank you for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, Science and Maths Classes by Jay Sir. Okay, thanks.